Once you've logged into your Nextmv account, you can find the Marketplace page by navigating to it from the left-hand navigation here. And on that page you will find the Nextmv routing app. So let's click into that. And here we see a little description about the Nextmv routing app, and down below a list of the available constraints. And there are more details in the Nextmv documentation, as well as examples on input schema and more. So let's click Add to My Apps. Here we will add a name for our app, as well as an optional description. And now let's click Create App. Great, we can see that the app was created and it's listed under our subscribed apps. And if we click into it, we can see the details. All right, so now let's look at run history. And of course, we have not run this app yet, so there's nothing here, but we will click New Run. You can use the sample input JSON that's already listed in the code space. I'm going to paste in some input JSON that is specific to my problem. And now we're going to run the app, and this will run for 3 seconds while it is finding optimized routes. Great, so we can see our routes on the map here for our 2 vehicles, and it looks like each vehicle has 10 stops. We can click on the output to see that here, as well as the details of the run itself. And of course, we can also see the input that we used for the run. So we'll go back to run history, and here we see our latest run that we just performed. And now we'll go to the API reference page. Here's where you find the API endpoints that you'll use to interact with your app. So for instance, creating a new application run and getting the result. And that's how you can create and run your own routing app with Nextmv.